Emmy, and Emmy's been coming to Gatorland since she was 5 years old. So we're gonna go talk to her about her experience, and now she works here.
I sure do.
Little alligator, his name is Really Bite. And you guys can touch his tail. He's about 2 years old. And he's pretty fantastic. You can pet him. He is watching you.
You can touch his feet.
Because you're really big. So to him, you're like a monster. You can eat him. That's how big you are. He doesn't know about that. He does. Feel his belly. His belly feels soft. And then his back feels bumpy.
He's doing it. Go do it.
Ew. But you're at Gatorland.
This is Ashton, and Ashton has a Darth Gator cape on, and she's gonna show you how it makes her run so fast. You ready? Gotta turn around. Ready, and go! Woohoo! Awesome! Thanks, Ashton! Hey, Brian! Say hi.
Hi.
And tell, go ahead.
Can you come here again? Because I really want to see one of your biggest friends of mine.
Ah!
Hey, what's going on? Yes, I am absolutely going to come back down and visit Savannah. Sorry, I have a little cold, so my voice isn't working well. So I'm going to come down and visit Savannah and all the alligators. Make sure that she tells you when I'm coming so you can come and hang out with us. And I tell her we can feed some of the gators together. What do you think? Thank you.
Hey, what's your name?
Okay.
Cape, who you got there?
A baby crocodile.
A baby alligator.
A baby
What's his name?
Jace.
So he was born only in August. So he's not very old at all yet. Do you watch our vlogs? On YouTube?
Yeah.
Yeah? Is that why you came out here?
Yeah.
Awesome. Well, so nice to meet you, buddy.
Okay.
See ya.
See you too.
Oh, it got cloudy there. So, I'm at Gatorland. I'm having a super fun day, and then I meet you. What's your name?
Ian.
Ian, and why are you at Gatorland?
To see you.
Yeah, and how in the world do you know who I am?
I watch Omargoshtv.
Oh my gosh, TV, they're some of our favorite people. I think they're coming back here really soon. Hey, shout out to the fam. That's what
Shout out to the fam. Give me a kiss.
We love you, Omar. Give me a kiss.
Give me a kiss.
All right, bye. Look at all these alligators. Up here, thermoregulated. What's your name?
Dakai.
Dakai, you saw us on YouTube?
Yeah.
On Omargoshtv?
Yeah.
So shout out to the fam. Thank you.
You're welcome.
You trying to get all of your children eaten and me? Do you guys think you could wrestle a crocodile?
Yeah.
You like crocodiles better or alligators better?
Crocodiles.
Crocodiles? What about you?
Which one's more scarier?
I think crocodiles.
Oh, alligator.
What's your name?
Eva.
And what's your name?
Ebony.
Okay, say hi to everybody. Hey. All right, thank you. You girls like alligators?
No.
Do you like alligators? Yeah, was that fun?
I like alligators too.
You were just tricking us.
You love them, right?
You love them?
Yeah.
This is Owen Godwin's original Iron Horse. It was Central Florida's first ride. Before there was Disney, before there was Universal, before there was everything that's in Central Florida right now, there was this train. So, this is Emmy. And Emmy has been coming to Gatorland since she was 5 years old, right? Yeah. And now she works at Gatorland. So I thought it was an amazing story. Gatorland always tries to keep it family friendly, and we try to incorporate people from our family here. Ernest Brown, who used to take care of all the alligators at Gatorland, half of his family still works here right now. And we're gonna talk to Emmy about her experience with Gatorland since she was 5 years old.
Yeah.
So tell us all about it.
Well, my parents brought me here when I was younger, and The first time we were here, probably this was when I got to sit on the back of an alligator. There's an old photo, the old Gatorland frame, and it's on Facebook.
So all these years later, you get to work at Gatorland. How exciting is that?
I'm so happy to be here. Everyone treats each other like family, and this is where I've always wanted to be.
Yay! Show us your other pictures.
Well, Gatorland used to have some Halloween events, so this one is a Halloween one with me standing next to our, I think it was Bandit Gator Bandit. He's got a little bandit head.
Gator Bandit.
That's probably what it was.
Oh, Emmy, you look so cute. And what did you say his name was?
I think it was Bandit Gator.
All right. We here at Gatorland have been family owned and operated since 1949. So we're all about family. So you bring your family to see us and I guarantee you'll have a great time. Make sure you say hi to Emmy if you see her out here. And make sure you say hi to me too, because we love putting you guys in the vlog too. That way you guys get to be a part of everything we do.
Yeah.
1, 2, 3.
I love Gatorland.
Are you guys scared?
Should be.
Everybody on the train.
Hopefully you guys enjoyed this ride. If you did, my name is Oscar. If you did not, I'm in that. Come to a full stop. And watch your heads aspects, and I repeat, watch your heads aspects.
Are you having fun at Gatorland? Yeah? Are you from Daytona Beach?
What did you just get done doing?
We're from Wisconsin.
You're from Wisconsin? They don't even have these things in Wisconsin. High five right here. And we fed some monkeys. She's the boss. All right, one more high five. All right, I need my hat back because my head will blow off. If not, all right. Good job. High five right here.
Thank you for watching. Subscribe now.